What's going on, guys? I just moved into a new home recently, and I'll be living in this house all by myself for the next 2 months. So today's video I'll be showing around you this beautiful tiny little home and garden and everything outside. So yeah, enjoy the video. So we are currently in our kitchen right now. Look at the cupboards. So I don't know if you can really clearly see that, but we got plenty of stuff right there. All the, we are actually in an Indian household. Of course, we will have plenty of curry powders and I don't know, some cardamom, pepper, and all that kind of I don't know what we call it. All that kind of spices right there, and my favorite things are, look at that, we got a couple of almonds and a couple of, I don't know, peanuts and everything. Beautiful. Also, look at these things. This is some snacks. I already finished it, and yesterday I went to the supermarket and then filled the rest of it. So I can't help myself. Sorry. And yeah, here we have our washing machines right here. So if you want a closer look, I will show you these powders and spices. Look, all those spices there on the top, and then these are all those masalas and stuff, and we got a couple of other things as well. We have some fruit. I forgot to buy it yesterday when I went to the supermarket, and yeah, and that's it. And this is our washing machine and washing area. That's pretty much it is. And here comes the cooktop and the oven right there. Today I made a pork curry and some rice right there, and yeah, there's some couple of snacks right there. Look at the view from the kitchen, guys. Look at that, we got beautiful garden right there. So today we got a shower, so I think the plants will be fine, but I will be going outside and then show you what else we have outside. And we also got a cupboard right here. It have so many other stuffs in it. I don't know, plenty of flours and powders and everything, and a couple of snacks right there. And yeah, this is pretty much how kitchen is. And we got our fridge right here. I just bought a couple of meat yesterday, and then we got a couple of snacks. I bought a wine yesterday. It's right here. I'll have it tonight, I guess. And now we comes to our lounge. As you can see, there is a couple of couch right here. We got a beautiful TV right behind our back, and the beautiful thing is this fish tank right here. Look at that. This is our fish tank right here, and look at all those plants on the top. So these are all organic plants, and there's a couple of them on the top, and here, and even in the fish tank we got a couple of plants, and these are all real plants. And I'll be cleaning the fish tank soon, and then I will show you a close-up video about it. And I don't exactly know the name of these plants and all these fish. I counted about 13 fishes, but I'm pretty sure there's more, because there are a couple of them hiding in the back. And yeah, this is our lunch. I've been watching I watched a series yesterday, and then I slept on the couch yesterday. And this is a big screen TV right here, and here, and moving on, we got a couple of plants right here. So the house has plenty of plants in it, so it's really cool. And yeah, it gives us a fresh atmosphere. And then I'll show you guys soon the rest of the part of the house. So now we'll be going to our room. Oh no, before that I will show you the bathroom. Right here we got a shower and we got a sink right there, and then this is our toilet right here, and this is my room. It's not that tidy, but look at all those plants behind me. Look at that, this is so beautiful. It's so fresh, and you know, it's so cool. Look at all those plants. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 plants in my room. So beautiful. And this is my bed right here. It's a cozy tiny little bed, and then I stack some of my clothes behind over there, and my jackets and coat on the door. And then we go the shelf right here where I hang all my clothes. Yeah, and we also got a beautiful mirror right there. And look at the view from my room. These are all part of a garden. We got a couple of small beautiful plants right there. Look at all the beautiful flowers. I'll show you guys that in a second. So we are in the garden right now, and today it's almost 5 right now, and then it's a bit moody as well because it's been raining lately. And yeah, and so if you can see, this is where we give water to the birds, and right down there's a tree, look kind of like mushroom, and we got heavy bush with a lot of seeds. I don't know what we call it. I don't know. The beautiful looking fruits, I guess, right there, but I'm not gonna eat it. And we got a wee hammock down there, if you can see. And I was using the hammock the other day. And when we come to this side, this is a vegetable station where my friend planted some veggies. He had a couple of potatoes and stuff like that over there, and then which he harvested the other day. And I don't exactly know the name of these veggies, but these are some cabbages right here. And we got a couple of beautiful fruits, flowers right behind me as well. If you look on to the wee tiny house right there, it has a couple of tomatoes and chilies, and we got a couple of, I think, what we call it, curry leaf plant as well. I'll give you guys a closer look of it. So this is the tiny station where my friend planted a couple of tomatoes. Look at these ones, guys. This is huge. Wow. You look at those ones as well. And I'm pretty sure I'll be harvesting some of these, and I'll be using it in my curries. This is the curry leaf plant right there. Look at these chilies right here, guys. It's long, so long, too long. Wow. And then there is a variety of chili right here as well. Wow, look at that. Oh, I think some of them is already ready to be harvested, so I'm pretty sure I'm gonna be harvesting some of them. Now I'll be using it in my curries some days. And here, that's the barbecue right there. I'll be using it to cook my steak some days, maybe tomorrow. And yeah, this is the whole garden. And then that's some kind of beans or peas right there, which I don't really know the name of. And that's the tool shed, and we got a couple of space right there to sit down and talk. yeah, and that's the house. And we got a wheat chair right there as well, and a couple of plants right behind. So yeah, so guys, that's all about today's video. And if you find my content interesting, please leave a like and subscribe to this channel if you're new. And I'll be posting a couple of more videos because I've been living in the house for the next 2 months all by myself. So yeah, follow along. And well guys, I'll see you guys in the next video. So bye.